Hello, good afternoon, student. My name is Hiral Raval. Today's date 8th December 2020. Standard 7th, subject Science. Chapter number 16, Water, a precious resources. In previous lecture, we have studied various activities and we make various posters like this. वी हैव स्टडीड हाउ मच वाटर इज़ अवेलेबल, कितना जो वाटर है वो अर्थ पे अवेलेबल है उसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था। ओके, उसके बारे में हमने इतना पढ़ा था कि पहले क्विकली कैलकुलेटेड एंड फाउंड दैट दिस अमाउंट इज़ रफली 0.006% ऑफ ऑल वाटर फाउंड ऑन द अर्थ। इतनी जो है वो वाटर जो है हमारे पास है। देन फोर्सेस फॉर्म्स ऑफ वाटर, फॉर्म्स ऑफ वाटर के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था और मैंने ये जम्बल्ड वर्ड आपको होमवर्क में दिए थे। ओके, नाउ इन दिस वीडियो वी हैव स्टडीड ग्राउंड वाटर इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ वाटर। इफ वी डिग अ होल in the ground near a water body, we may find that the soil is moist. The moisture in soil indicates the presence of water underground. If we dig deeper and deeper, we would reach a level where all the space between particles of soil and gaps between rocks are filled with water. The upper limit of this layer is called the water table. The water table varies from place to place and it may even change at a given place. The water table may be at a depth of less than a meter or maybe several meters below the ground. The water found below the water table is called groundwater. What is the source of this groundwater? ये जो ग्राउंड वाटर है उसका सोर्स क्या है? The rain water and water from other sources such as rivers and ponds seeps through the soil and fills the empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. The groundwater thus gets recharged by this process. At places, the groundwater is stored between layers of hard rock below the water table. This is known as an aquifer. Water in the aquifers can be usually pumped out with the help of tubewells or hand pumps. ये जो वाटर है वो हैंड पंप से हम ले सकते हैं। Have you ever been to a site where construction work is going on? From where do the workers get water from construction? Construction के लिए जो water है वो कहाँ से आता होगा? Maybe you have seen boring being done at such sites to reach the water table. Inquire from the people working there how deep they have to dig. Can we keep on drawing water from under the ground? How will it affect the water table? ये जो है वाटर टेबल को कैसे अफेक्ट करेगी? दिस इज द डायग्राम, ग्राउंड वाटर एंड वाटर टेबल. हियर हैंड पम्प्स रिचार्ज वाटर टेबल, एक्वीफर, स्ट्रीम और लेक, एंड दिस इज अ ग्राउंड वाटर. एकदम नीचे जो पानी होता है ग्राउंड वाटर जो स्टोरेज किया हुआ होता है. 16.4 Depletion of water table. Water drawn from under the ground gets replaced by seepage of rainwater. The water table does not get affected as long as we draw as much water as is replaced by natural process. However, water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replaced. This may happen due to many reasons. Increase in population, industrial and agriculture activities are some common factors affecting water table. Scanty rainfall is another factor that may deplete the water table. Yet another factor affecting water table could be deforestation and decrease in the effective area for seepage of water. Depletion of water table. Water drawn from under the ground gets replaced by seepage of rainwater. The water table does not get affected as long as we draw as much water as is replaced by natural processes. However, water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replaced. This may happen due to many reasons. Increase in pollution, industrial and agriculture activities are some common factors affecting water table. Scanty rainfall is another factor that may deplete the water table. Yet another factor affecting water table could be deforestation and decrease in the effective area for seepage of water. Increasing population. Increasing population creates a demand for constructions of houses, shops, offices, roads and pavements. This decreases the open areas like parks and playgrounds. This in turn decreases the seepage of rain water into the ground. What could be the consequence? Recall that a pakka floor does not allow water to seep in easily, while in a grass lawn water seeps through in no time. Moreover, a huge amount of water is required for construction work. Often, groundwater is used for this purpose. So, on the one hand, we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other, we are allowing lesser water to seep into the ground. This results in depletion of water table. In fact, the water table in some parts of many cities has gone down to alarmingly low levels. Then next topic, increasing industries. Water is used by all the industries. Almost everything that we use needs water somewhere in its production process. The number of industries is increasing continuously. Water used by most of the industries is drawn from the ground. Here activity 16.4. Name some industries familiar to you. Make a list of the products obtained from these and used in our daily life. Discuss with your teacher and parents how the growing industrial activity is responsible for the depletion of water table. Here agriculture activities. A majority of farmers in India depend upon rains for irrigating their crops. Irrigation systems such as canals are there only in a few places. Even these systems may suffer from lack of water due to erratic rainfall. Therefore, farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. Population pressure on agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater. Day by day, this results in depletions of water table. इससे क्या होता है, वाटर टेबल का जो डिप्लेशंस है वो धीरे धीरे कम होता है. Then 16.5 distributions of water. How to distribute the water in various plants. The distributions of water over the globe is quite uneven due to a number of factors. Some places have good amount of rain and are water rich. On the other hand, there are deserts which have scanty rainfall. India is a vast country and the rainfall is not the same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rains while some others have very little rainfall. Excessive rains cause floods wherever the absence of rains results in droughts. Therefore, some regions in our country may have floods while others may suffer from droughts at the same time. Activity 16.5. Given here is the rainfall map of India. It gives the average annual rainfall in different regions of our country. Locate on the map the place you live in. आपको लोकेट करना है, मैप बनाना है कि आप कहाँ पे रहते हो. आर यू ब्लेस्ड विथ सफिशेंट रेनफॉल. जहाँ आप रहते हो वहाँ अच्छी बारिश होती है. यस. इज़ देयर सफिशेंट वाटर अवेलेबल इन योर एरिया थ्रू आउट द ईयर. थ्रू आउट द ईयर आप जहाँ रहते हो वहाँ सफिशेंट जो पानी है वो मिलता है. यस. इफ़ मे बी पॉसिबल दैट वी आर लिविंग in an area where there is sufficient rainfall yet there is shortage of water. जहाँ insufficient water हो, जहाँ पानी जो है वो नहीं मिलता. It may be possible that we are living in an area where there is sufficient rainfall yet there is shortage of water. Can we attribute this to mismanagement of water resources? 16.6 Water management. You have read in class 6 that in many places a regular supply of water is provided. Here the map shows the rain map of India. Okay, ये जो है वो रेन मैप है इंडिया का. देखो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं अबाउ 400 सेंटीमीटर से ज़्यादा रेनफॉल हो वहाँ एकदम डार्क ब्लू किया है. ओके, दिस इज़ द एरिया. मेघालय है ना, वहाँ पे ऐसा लवंडर जैसा है वहाँ पे बिटवीन 200 to 400. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ एकदम ब्लू है, यहाँ वापस लवंडर है. ऐसा ब्लू कलर हो डार्क ब्लू तो 100 to MP यहाँ बीच में 100 to 200 सेंटीमीटर. 60 to 100 तो वहाँ पे ऐसा कलर है. देन 40 to 60 ये रहा. 20 to 40 उससे डल और एकदम डल से 0 to 20. तो यहाँ ऐसे मैप बनाया है. ओके, लक्षद्वीप, श्रीलंका, अरेबियन सी, पाकिस्तान. दिस इज़ द मैप. वैसे तो हमारे इंडिया के तीनों साइड यहाँ पे अरेबियन सी जो है, ओके, यहाँ पे ओशन है, इंडियन ओशंस, और यहाँ पे बे ऑफ बंगाल. तीनों साइड इंडिया में तो क्या है, ओशन ही ओशन है. ओके, अरेबियन सी का ये पूरा जो है, पूरा जो पार्ट है वो अरेबियन सी का है। दिस इज़ बे ऑफ बंगाल। यहाँ पे अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड है इंडिया में। लक्षद्वीप है, अंडमान निकोबार लक्षद्वीप इंडिया। So you have read in class 6 that in many places a regular supply of water is provided by a well-planned pipe system. When the civic authorities supply water through pipes, not all of it may reach the destinations. You might have seen water supply pipes leaking and a lot of water gushing out of the pipes. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. Mismanagement or wastage may take place at the level of individuals also. All of us knowingly or unknowingly waste water while brushing teeth. हम जब ब्रशिंग टीथ करते हैं तो भी वेस्ट वाटर करते हैं, शेविंग, बाथिंग, वॉशिंग एंड ड्यूरिंग मैनी अदर एक्टिविटीज़। ये जो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है उसमें हम नोइंगली या अननोइंगली, जाने अनजाने क्या करते हैं, पानी का वेस्ट करते हैं। लीकिंग टैप्स इज़ अनदर सोर्सेज ऑफ ह्यूज वाटर वेस्टेज। वी वेस्ट वाटर एज though we do not need water the next time. We have seen that most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. This is a waste of precious natural resources. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. Here are the definitions of water harvesting. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting, about which you have learned in class 6. Find out if the buildings in your neighborhood have water harvesting systems installed. We have at many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Bawris. Here the definitions of Bawris. What is Bawris? Okay, here the definition. We have at many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Bawris. Bawri was the traditional way of collecting water. With time, the Bawris fell into disuse and garbage started filling in these receivers. Today the situation is that in spite of scanty rains, these places are managing their water needs well. A farmer using water in the field can also use water economically. Maybe you have heard of drip irrigations. Drip irrigation is a technique of harvesting watering plants by making use of narrow tubing which deliver water directly at the base of the plant. So this is the डेफिनेशन ऑफ ड्रिप इरीगेशन, ड्रिप इरीगेशन लोग करते हैं. ओके, what role you can play? Have you ever, this is the diagram of drip irrigation, have you ever shown concern if you saw a tap leaking in your house, school or any other places? Leaking taps waste lots of water. You must make efforts to stop this leakage. There are a number of ways you can adopt to minimize the wastage of water. Let us begin. We have given a few examples. Add on. Water wise habits: turn on off taps while brushing, mop the floor instead of washing. Okay, washing करो, उससे अच्छा है mopping कर दो. 16.8 Effect of water scarcity on plants. You must have seen a potted plants wilting and ultimately drying up if they did not get water even for a few days. You have already learned in chapter 1 that plants need water to get nutrition from the soil to prepare their food. Just imagine the consequences if water is not available to plants. Green character of the planet shall be lost. This may mean the end of all life. For a world without plants shall mean no food, no oxygen, not enough rain and innumerable other problems. बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम्स हमें होता है. ओके, जब हमारे पास पानी ना हो तो. A successful innovative Rajasthan is a hot and dry place. The challenge of natural scarcity of water was met by a successful experiment. A band of social workers has transferred a dry area in the Alwar district into a green place. They have revived 5 dried up rivers of Averi, Rupraj, Sasra, Bhagni and Jahajwali by कंस्ट्रक्शन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स. ये 5 जो नदी है सूखी हो गई थी, उसको उन्होंने जो है बेजान थी वो जान उसमें डाली. ओके स्टूडेंट, आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक